We are sharing a Peak Refuel Breakfast Skillet this morning for breakfast. Let's give it a food review. Here we go. Eggs, sausage, potatoes, and peppers. I wonder if it's going to be mostly potatoes and peppers. Oh, you guys probably want to see me pour it. Oh, were we supposed to take that out when we heated it? I think we were supposed to take that out before we put the water in. It's not going to kill us too much, is it? Oh, you just got a whole lot of sausage and potatoes, which is awesome because I don't want the sausage and potatoes. This is what it looks like, people. Here, I'll give you a better view. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Smells really good. Alright, hubby. You take the first bite.
Yum, yum, yum.
Is it good?
A little salty.
Is it?
A little salty.
Alright. Does it taste a piece of the egg? Does it taste like real egg? Or does it taste like... Yeah.
It does kind of taste like real egg.
It's not like my egg.
No. That egg's good, you know. It's okay.
Okay, so I'm not a real big fan of peppers or potatoes or sausage. You know, I like to be a vegetarian most of the time, so sausage is kind of a no-no, but, you know, you can't buy, like, freeze-dried eggs for backpacking that doesn't have meat in it. Nobody makes just a scrambled eggs and cheese. It's either scrambled egg and sausage or scrambled egg and bacon. So can Peak Refuel, because I love your stuff better than any other brand. Could you please make a scrambled egg and cheese for us vegetarian people for backpacking breakfast? Okay, thanks. So let's try a little bite of this. I'm going to try a piece of egg first. Consistency a little tough, but taste-wise it's okay. It's not like I would make it home, but it's alright. It's warm, it's food. I'm thankful for it. Peak Refuel Breakfast Skillet. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. 3 if you count the dog. She loves everything.